What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another throwback video, guys, of me just showing you guys what I paid for previous cars that I did buy in the auction and what I sold it for. Just giving you guys these videos until I'm able to start taking you guys to the auction with me. In this video, we got a 2009 Honda Accord Coupe. This was a very nice car as well. 142,000 miles on it, so very low miles. The only thing that was wrong with this car was it needed 2 tires. But other than that, this car was in excellent condition, as you can see. Oh yeah, and the bumper was messed up, which you are about to see any second now. As you can see, yeah, there we go. So the bumper was a little messed up, but other than that, this was a very nice car, guys. Wasn't nothing wrong with this bad boy. If you know Hondas, you know these boys will last you forever. And as you can see, check the bumper out, guys. So wasn't that bad. As you can see, I paid $3,600 for this car, and I sold it for $4,500. So that was a very good deal. I was pretty happy about that. But that's going to be pretty much it for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. 142,000 miles. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. Got more content coming for you guys very soon. Just stay tuned. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.